Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of spreadsheet with an introduction to Microsoft Excel. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to replace to your skills, you have come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, we will feel confident navigating Excel and ready to tackle your own project. So let's start it. Okay, so the first step is let's open up Excel and you can find it your start menu or Windows on your application, spoiler on Mac. So once you have opened Excel, you will get greeted with a blank workbook. Think of this as your digital canvas where you will work with your spreadsheets magic. Okay, so Excel might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we will break it down. So at the top, you will find report and also who is content, all the tools and comments and you need. Okay, so below that in the worksheet areas, okay, so here you and it put the manipulates your data, and don't forget to call the columns and rows and cell, and that makes up groups. They are building block of your spreadsheet. So like here, the columns indicate with A, B, C, D like this, and also row is indicate the like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay. So now let's start entering some data, like click in or click on any cell to select it. Simply start typing here. If I using like 1, 10, and use like or 15 like this, and also Excel automatically adjusts to fit your content. So feel free to input texts, number, or even formulas like here. If I use this is the serial number, I will just want to use. So this is the serial number. And if I say this will be the student name, something like this, I can just easily use this student name into here. Okay, now you can see automatically adjust in here, and also, and if you make a mistakes, no worries, just hit in the delete key like here. If I want to delete this one, just to use that delete key or use the undo button. Okay, so now you can see it can be easily removable, or just use the Control Z for undo this. Okay, now let's move into the formatting options. Like formatting your spreadsheet can make it easier, understandable. Okay, you can change like the font size, color, and alignments of your text, as well as adjust the appearance of your cells. Like just select the cells you want to format, then head over to the home tab on the remote, access all the formatting options. So for example, like if I want to change the font style of this one, just select over here, or I can easily use it. Now you can easily change, or if you want to change the font point by selecting over here, input the values. Like if I use 20, then you now see it changes this one. Okay, so as well you can do also change the fonts or font colors by using this one. Okay, so here I will just use this one. Okay, now you can see we have now this one. Okay, so now let's talk about the formulas and functions and the true powerhouse of Excel. So formulas allows you to perform calculation by using the data in your spreadsheet, while functions are predefined formulas that complex texts are busy. Okay, so for basic or arithmetics to advanced statistical analysis, so you can find the formula groups over here under the formula types, and there is function library. So here Excels are functions almost everything. Like here, I do have a simple data set with this one. Like I can just easily use it. Now, if I want to or just submit this one for some functions, Then let me select this one, then close it with the parentheses. Then here I got it the sum or the with the total number or total or this number. Now if I want to average this one, just to use the average function, for example, I will go to do that, close it with parentheses, then hit on the OK. So now that we have this average, like if you want to find out the maximums number of maximum values of this number, you can easily use the max function like here. If I use this max function, then select this one, then close it with a parenthesis, then hit on the OK. So for now that we have max number in there, so this way you can easily work within your Excel, and also visualizing your data is the key, getting insight and telling a complete story. So Excel offers a variety chart types, and charts are like from a simple bar or graphs to integrate or pie charts, and you can find this one under the chart groups under the insert tabs. Okay, on the ribbon to choose the chart based on your needs. Okay, so from here you will get the bar, the gallery of the charts. And last but not least, let's talk about savings and sharing your work. So to save your spreadsheet, simply click on the File tab, then select the Save page. So this one, then choose the desired location, file format, and so here you can easily use it. For example, let me use then desktops over here, and now you can see or you can have the options to file that. You can easily give here the file name. If you want to collaborate with others, you can easily share your or Excel file by email or the cloud storage service like the one, right? And you can do by using one by or using the share options. Now you can have the option to share with the difference. Okay. So, and there you have it, and introduction to Microsoft Excel. We have covered the basic navigations interface and entering that formatting using a formulas and functions, creating charts and saving the share or saving and sharing your work. With a little practice, you will be Excel wizard in no time, not times. So thanks for watching.